this is Mel Music. Today we'd like to share with you the easiest introduction of how to play Dance Monkey with the simplest, best sheet music. You must enjoy. Thank you. First, let's play this music. The instructions and sheet music appear after we play through. There are 2 pages of sheet music, and this music has 4 parts. And the first 3 parts are on the first page, and the last part is on the second page. The left hand has 4 patterns: G, E flat, F, D. These 4 notes comes from the beginning to the last. This is the second page. The left hand patterns are same. G, E flat, F, D. This is a left hand movement. G, E flat, F, D. And this music has B flat and E flat. So please be careful when you have B. I put B flat marks. These are B flat. And here is a B flat. Left side of B. I'd like to explain how this music is going. There's a repeat sign after the first part, also after the third part. When music starts, you start from first part. And after you come to second line ending, you come to the first line and repeat again. And move to second part. And you go to third part. You repeat. And you come to the fourth part. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. After that, you come back to the third part. The third part is on the first page. You repeat this third part several times. Enjoy. This is the first page of the sheet music. Feel free to take a screenshot and enjoy. Again, the alphabet on the top is for right hand, and these bold letters are for the left hand note. This is the second page. Thank you.